took this old, not old, but took this beat up laptop that was used by an ape or something, converted it into a all-in-one. It took a few days. Got a little thing to hold it upright, move it around. Got a little bookend to shove the bookend inside just to keep it from falling, because it is top heavy. No hard drives yet, no NVMEs yet. The fan does spin. You can look at the reflection over there. It does have its overdrive fan, but the air escapes through the sides. Power supply, trying to figure out what to do with that to keep it side. But yeah, the air escapes through the sides for now, but it's nothing a little duct tape can't fix. I'm proud of myself. Oh yeah, it does work. Don't